eat rice. Come. Every day cannot be. You already have pasta. So for lunch you need to have this. Come, baby. American welcome people who eats rice. They think that they are the smartest people. So you need to eat rice, to prove that you are the smartest of the lot. And definitely, it's good. It's better than bread. Okay? Eat with your hands, whatever. Yes. See, good boy. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. See, Masi is also telling, sit on the chair. See? See? Good boy. You're going to make video games, right? In America. What kind of video games you're going to make?
I'm going to make Five Nights at Freddy.
Sorry?
Five Nights at Freddy.
Five Nights and Freddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Is Freddy a good boy?
Yes.
What does he do?
Not really why. He's an animatronic.
What?
He's an animatronic.
Okay. New to me. Okay. And what does he do?
He just jump scares you.
He damn scares you.
Jump scares.
Jump?
Jump scare.
Jump stairs.
Yeah.
For what joy?
But for making you inside of Freddy in a Freddy suit.
Mm-hmm.
In a Freddy suit.
Okay. And what else? And who is this guy Foxy?
This guy Foxy who tries to is a animatronic.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And why do you want them so much? Why you're watching videos of them every time?
So I love them.
You love them?
Yeah.
You need to get marks, no? 20 out of 20. So you need to concentrate. You got 19 yesterday out of 20. So?
Why? Why did you send?
Yeah, I think there was some error in the technology.
Error?
I told your teacher also that you did everything right, but you got the answer wrong. Why? And there was no writing on the answer paper that it's wrong also. So let's see. I will complain. You have to put it together, the rice and the dal, and eat it together. Like
I'll eat it like this.
no, don't eat like that. You need a spoon. Eat. You have to don't, you can't do that. You have to finish it. Eat like a civilized boy, like a city boy, okay? Eat like a city boy. That's more of a monkey type. Yeah? Do you want some chicken?
Yeah.
Shall I make chicken for you?
Yeah.
Like sausages, salami, or you want fresh chicken?
Fresh chicken.
Or shall we eat at night?
To eat today.
Yeah, tonight.
No, not tonight.
When?
Now.
Now? Okay, then I make for you, okay? I'll tell Masi to fry for you some. Shall we tell him? Huh?
Yeah.
Don't drop the rice. Just eat the rice on the plate. Yeah. Like a good boy. You love rice. You should love rice because you are a Manipuri boy. And you eat pasta all the time. Italians eat pasta. Are you an Italian?
Yeah.
You told you are a Manipuri first.
I want to be a Manipuri. I'm a Manipuri.
Yeah. And then you should eat rice then. We eat rice always. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
So Abraham is unhappy because the FNAF game which he is watching turns out to be a horror video game. When Nene checked, and then it's suitable for 12 plus age, and he is just a 6 years old boy. So it's never suiting for this boy. So I told him that he can never watch FNAF, which is what? Freddy's, right?
Yeah.
Five Nights and Freddy's. So you want to watch again, right?
Yes.
Are you sad?
Yeah.
but it's not good for your brain and upbringing, and then to develop your mind. That is why Nene wants the best for you. So I think we should skip that for a while. Then you can watch
The
when you.
Untitled Goose Game, you can learn everywhere.
Yeah, the Untitled Goose Game is fine. It's a good game. They said I took the review for that also. So you can watch the Untitled Goose Game, and I will log all the Freddy's game. Okay.
Yeah.
Deal done.
Yes. I want to download now.
You want to download now?
The Untitled Goose Game.
Yeah, we will do that, but it should also have a limited hour. You can't watch the video game like 24 hours because you have to eat food, you have to have time for doing your homeworks, your assignments. See, your teacher has given so much of homework and assignments, and then you have to upload on the portal online. Then you need to take shower. You don't have to give headache to Masi. You are a good boy. Masi loves you. You have to take shower. You have to take shower, and then you have to have food at the right time. Then you need to play also in the ground, this thing garden, at the garden. So you need to have time. So I think 2 hours, 1 hour in the morning, in between the classes, not early morning, maybe after 12, okay?
Yeah.
And then uh, afternoon and the evening, 5 to 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
You can go for this video game. I promise me you will do this only one hour
Yeah.
after Nene is gone also. Promise me. Yeah, good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, love you. Love you. Say you love me to
I
Nene.
love you.
Yes. Thank you. Good boy you are.